Hi you there. Let's unboxing these whole boxes. All right, let's begin with this one. Okay, this bag. Let's see what we can get inside here. Okay, let's open it up. Let's open it from here and see if everything is okay. Let's see. Okay, unboxing. It's my favorite activity. All the boxes where I pay $100, the total dollars. Okay, let's see what we get inside here. This is the bag that it is important now. Okay, yeah, fine. See inside here. See again. Okay, what we get here. Yes, this one. Okay, fine bags. Let's begin with let me see. Okay, what is this? What is this? This, and let's begin with, let me see, with this one. Pick. This is Pick 12F629, a little 8-pins microcontroller. Okay, nice. Let me see others. This is a powerful nanosecond instruction execution. This one. Okay, CMOS flash based 8-bit microcontroller packed from microchip. All right, let's see another one. Let's see. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is adapters. I have 1, 2 adapters and 3 adapters. Let me show you. Adapters for NRF 24L01. Okay, L01. This is the adapter. Use it for the radios. Okay, fine. Another one. This one adapter is SES. Let me focus the camera. None. Okay, where is the focus? Sorry. Oh, right. Adapter ESP829966 ESP sensor Arduino for Arduino. Let's see inside. Sorry. This side. Oops. Let me see. Yes. We have a DX DT11 humidity sensor and adapter for ESP. All right, the next one, this one. This is adapter for NRF24LO. It's for the radio, similar to the first one. Fine. Now adapter for the same ESP board. It's adapter for ESP8266. Let me see inside here. Where is, sorry. Yes, we have a relay, 5-volt relay right here, connectors, and the ESP01 goes here, right here. Okay, fine. This is a very handle board. What is this? This is a adapter for ESP TP, a simple one. Okay, this is Arduino Uno. Okay, we have a cable, USB cable right here. This is Arduino Uno R3. This one is, let me see, where is the chip? Where is the chip? Right here. Okay, this one. What is this? This is a crystal oscillator, 32768 kilohertz. Why this frequency crystal is used in many RTC watches and timers? It is because it is 2 power of 15 is equal 32768. It will give a precise 1 second period when the 50-stage binary counter is used. This is an awesome and simple device, a crystal. Okay, and the next one is this one is a powerful PIC 12629 microchip ready for you. Okay, the first bag was open. Let's open the next one. Okay, the next one is this one. Okay, let's open it up and see what we get inside here. Okay, this is my favorite activity, as I said. Let's see inside here what we get inside these boxes. Whoa, it's protected. Let's see this. Sorry. Okay, yes, and this one. Alright, man, I have to take care. No, nothing more. Okay, let's see what we get here. Okay, this one. Okay, this is a, let me open it up for you. Okay, let's see. All right, man, this is for a 5line follower for our robot. We have a great device to work with. Let me see another one. This one. Let me see if I get inside these boxes. Let's see. Wow. Yeah. Three devices. The first one, this one is sensor for radio presence movement by the radio. Okay, This is a sensor for Ultra V GUVA, a sensor for Ultra V. I have to work with, I don't know how to work with it. And this one is a PIC 18F4520, a nice microchip, a nice chip that I've working with in my experiment, and I accidentally compromised one chip. Okay, the second boxes were open. Let's open the third one, this box. Let's see what we get inside here. Okay. Let's see. All right, man. Okay, a breadboard, 30 holes, a nice breadboard. What is this? Let me see. Let me see what is this. Oh, right. This is digital analyzer. Let me show you. Let me. Empty the boxes. I have a nice document for my Arduino right here. Let me see. Right, this is an Arduino board, and I have instruction accompanied. This is SMD Arduino right here. Okay. Another Arduino. This is SMD2. This is a nice board. It's what is the name? The name is micro a body. No. Let me see. A display LED matrix 832. Okay. With the chip right here in the board. Let me open to show you this one. It's a compact. All right. Yes. Look at this, man. It's a nice board all together. And I have some, all right, and I have connection right here. Fine. Another one. Okay, this is two cable for two Arduino, and this one is analyzer. Let me open it up for you. Let me open it for you to see. This is a channel logic analyzer, 24 microhertz. It's a USB analyzer, and I will work with this in the next episode of my pick, when I will work with I2C protocol and SPI protocol. Nice. A good device in these boxes. And this box is from SparkFun. A nice breadboard. Let's see and open it up. It's a fine, nice paper to protect the device, and only these 3 devices. Let me see. This is Promico Arduino Promico 5 volt 60 megahertz. Okay, this one is a Hall effect sensor US 1881 latching, and this one is a 3-port 10K to 3-port 10K. Only this in the SparkFun boxers. And the last one, not the last, but almost there. Let's see what we get here. All right, man. This is a nice collection for my project. It's a nice collection of servo for my, this is a let me see, camera gimbal servo SG, let me see, SG90, and I have 6 collections of this. 6 collection. Let me see. Yes, 6 collection of this. It's a nice collection for my project, robot and so on. And finally, this one, the last one, and I don't know what it is inside here. It's a surprise for me and for you. Let's see. This package is little, but we have, wow, Arduino right here. Arduino Uno. Let me see. Let's open up one of this bag and see what type of Arduino it is. All right, this is an Arduino Pro Mini. Okay, Arduino Pro Mini with the and this is for complete my collection about Arduino. And I think that is all. Okay, I think that is all. And here is all the collection of this $100. And here is all that we get from the, and this bag is right here. All right, that's all. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and especially for you, have a good day. Bye.